These fields allow you to record information pertaining to any agreement you have with the seller or landlord of the property. The most important of these fields is status. This field controls the automated marketing that your company has set up with your company website and property portals. Once you mark the status as active, this listing will automatically be published on your website and property portals with which you have a contract. Please make sure that the information is complete and all has been added correctly before changing the status to active. The date listed field allows you to monitor how long this listing has been on the market for. The available from field allows you to record when the property is available, which could be for rental properties or sale properties should the seller wish to live in it for some time before the new buyer moves in. The listed price is the price that will be publicly marketed on all your online channels, so make sure this amount is correct. The agreement type is where you record the type of mandate that you have with the seller, and the start date lets you record when this agreement came into effect. The commission rate agreed is recorded as a percentage of the sale price. The external broker field can be used by agencies to record the broker that is representing the seller in a deal that you did with another company in a split deal. And for developers, you can record resale listings of the properties that were built by you to keep track of how your properties perform over time.